Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down and pick apps. And now tap on more icon, which is 3 dots one in upper corner, so just click here, and now select the very last icon, which is Reset App Preferences. You have to confirm it because it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, default apps, background data restriction for apps, and also permission restrictions. And you won't lose your existing app data. However, this operation cannot be undone, so you have to be 100% sure that you want to do it. If so, just tap on Reset. And actually that's it. All app preferences have been erased. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.